Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of the CodersArts. In this video, we are going to discuss popular Python library that does not exist in other programming languages. The very first library is NumPy. NumPy basically is a library for numerical computing with a focus on array, matrix, and high-level mathematical functions. Next library is Pandas. Pandas is a library for data analytics and manipulation that provide fast, flexible, and expressive data structure design to make working with relations or labels on the data in both easy and more intuitive way. So the second one is Pandas. Another important library is Matplotlib. This library is basically used for plotting 2D plots, or a library for 2D plotting that provide the high level interfaces for drawing attractive and informative statistic informations or statistic graphics or chart. Another important library is scikit-learn. So basically, scikit-learn, a library for machine learning built on the top of the NumPy and Matplotlib that provide simple and efficient tool for data mining and data analysis. This is also framework for, we can say, machine learning. Next one, let's talk about the TensorFlow, a library for numerical computational using data flow graphs that can use for a variety of tasks, including machine learning and deep learning algorithms or the model. TensorFlow is also a framework of machine learning. Let's talk about the Pygame. So Pygame is a very important, or we can say, important library that is used basically for creating games in Pythons. Okay, so all the game development persons or developer who already know the what are the common functionalities the game should have, so this library provide this like functionality of creating games and multimedia applications. Another important library is Flask. So Flask is basically a microwave framework that make it easy to build simple yet powerful web applications. Let's talk about another important library or we can say framework is a Django. This is a very high level web framework that enable rapid development and clean and pragmatic designs. So that's all for today. Let's meet in another one. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Thank you for watching.